Hey guys, it's me again. Today we're going to be doing all sorts of stuff. I'm going to be doing a Truth or Dare series. I don't know how many parts, but because tomorrow was my last day, not for the whole year and crap, but just my last day for this weekend to be at my dad's house, I might be doing some of the stuff alone at my house. That, or I'm gonna get a screen recorder and record Top 10 My Little Pony drawings and do it over Hangouts with her. But today I'm going to be doing it with you guys and Top 10 My Little Pony drawings. Today's going to be a Truth or Dare series, and we're going to be doing some scooter tricks. But first, I think we're going to do the Truth or Dare. There's my minute intro. Now we're going to start. See you guys in like half a second. TRD. Truth or Dare,
No.
she's a little butt.
I know, I have a stomach ache.
I guess we'll just do scooters. Can you see me? Yeah, you can see me. That's why. You wear helmets. But I'm not wearing a helmet because I just don't want it. Bolt came out. We have some major issues. You see. I'll show you guys. If you look at the wheel, if you can see how you can't freaking wheel. If you look at the wheel, you can see where the bolt's missing because I fracked the boat out. So I'm looking at how she had the bolt in, and what it looks like is, I don't even know if this part was even on here. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix this. I don't know how they had the bolt on. They had it on somehow. I don't even know if they had this bolt even on it. I'm keeping the bolt just in case though, and I'm gonna try to put the screw back in. I'm gonna go get a little screwdriver real quick. I will be right back. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver. Okay. I'm back with a screwdriver that hopefully will work. I'm really hoping it will. Because if it doesn't, bad luck for me. We're driving. Hold on, we have to I want to put this on the ground, and I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. But I'm guessing you're not, because it's going to be on the ground. Oh, dude, look at it, I found a bug! I see it. I hope you guys can see it. I don't know what the heck this is. It's something though. Where are you? Oh, it's a little grasshopper. That's so hilarious. Alright. Now that I'm done messing with freaking grasshoppers, I'm gonna see if this thing works. Look at that, perfectly fine. Alright, now I gotta go put this screwdriver back. So I'll be right back. So I'm back, and this time we're actually gonna be doing scooter tricks. I'm hoping the thing ain't gonna break. Oh crap. It broke. God dang it. It broke again. So we ain't gonna be doing scooter tricks anymore. I'm just gonna leave it alone and be like, oh, I didn't fix it at all. So we're gonna pretend I did not touch that at all. Today is Monday, and today's gonna be game day Monday, I think is what I'm gonna call this. Going inside though. It's already been 9 minutes. Okay. Today's not going to be game day Monday. Today isn't going to be anything. But, like the video, please subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.